Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to build trust on your Shopify store. So building trust is one of the most important factors for increasing sales on the Shopify store. So visitors often decide within seconds whether a store looks trustworthy. So actually guys, first we will need to use a professional design, right? So here on the online store, the theme here. So you will need to choose a clean and modern theme. You will need to use high quality product images. You will need to keep the font and colors consistent and avoid cluttered layouts and excessive pop-ups. Also guys, you'll need to add essential pages, so you'll need to create and link these pages in your navigation, something like about us, contact us, the shipping policy, return and refund policy, the privacy and policy, and the term of service. So customers want to know who they are buying from and what happens if there is a problem. Also guys, you will need to display the contact information, so you will need to include the email address, the contact form, and the business address if applicable, and the phone number. That's of course optional. So make it easy for customers to reach you that way. Also guys, I'm going to talk about the product reviews that you can get from some apps. So the reviews are one of the strongest trust signals. Consider Shopify reviews apps such as Judge Me, Looks, or YouTube. So actually guys, you can go with the settings here to find them, go with the apps option on left hand menu, and then go with the Shopify app store from here. Now just look for the Judge Me, for example. And there you go. So just install that one. I already have it. From here, you can click on install and just confirm the installation. We have Looks. Also, we have YouTube. Okay, so this one. So actually guys, just install them and use them on your Shopify store. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.